Okay, so I keep telling people that when you ride this thing, you can go anywhere and no one bothers you. So I'm gonna go and do exactly that and show you guys, because no one seems to believe me how sweet these things are. So easy to ride, just one click and we're off. Okay, we're at 2. Let's see how fast we get her going. 50, 60 down the sidewalk, buddy. It still makes enough noise where you're like, okay, I'm riding something. Like a regular walking trail, you're not really supposed to be on here with a bike like this, but it's electric, so we'll see if we can get some reactions or see if anybody just waves, because that's usually been the trend. Excuse me, sorry. Oh, thank you. Thank you. You can win it. From where you can win it, but I'm sure he knows. Oh, oh, hi, puppy. Hi, thanks. On your left. Thank you. Have a good one. Which is surprising. Like, I thought someone by now would be like, this is not for the bike. But here we are. Street we go. Roast me too much. Okay, which way we going? We're going this way. Okay, this is a good test. We'll see if we get bit. He didn't like too stoked, but maybe he was just worried about his dog. I know right now for you folks if we can put a surron on the bus. I just was wondering, do you guys put these on the bus? Will this work, or is it too heavy? Too heavy?
Yeah,
okay.
Just give them a call, they'll tell you what you can and can't.
Okay, just curious. Thank you. Have a good one. Alright, I'm gonna head to this. There's an industrial spot behind Giant Bikes here. This is the Arc'teryx over here. Oh! Oh my god, this thing is so fun. All over him. And then here we are. To our filming spot. Look at the sun's out perfect tonight. So I like to do, so if you ever want to do like a panorama, and then we'll be able to stitch. People roast people for putting it like that. Kind of looks fucking badass like that though. It's all about how you position yourself. I've learned a lot with photography. I have a gimbal. So this guy told me all you do to make a gimbal, and then you got the gimbal. Okay, we'll see if that works later.
Sound no great, no speaking for the schizo. Barely got a speech together, rebel on the limbo. Going to the top plateau on a rap vibe. Blue clouds in the distance like a storm ride. Pour a little wine in the glass while it's high time. Talking sunrise, not.
Well, no better time. The sun's just going around the corner. Filming session done. Let's cruise back to the house. See if anybody gives a crap. Cruise on. Hi, puppy. Hi, puppy. Trails, baby. Hello. Don't care. Nobody cares. Hello. Hi, puppy. You look so happy. What? Double hit. Sorry, thanks. Keep driving away. The fastest bike to see the bike lane. It's all good. It's all good, sir. We're taking. Want to race? Yeah. Goes like 70 kilometers an hour.
Is that right, eh?
And they're, yeah, it's just electric.
How much does that cost?
6,900. The guy that sold me it said that the one that he has, he went to Maple Ridge from here with it.
Is that right?
Yeah. Like a cigarette lighter plug-in, and then they just got like a wall plug-in charger.
You smoke some cigarettes.
Yeah. It's got 2 power settings. It's got a sport mode and a...
Where'd you buy that from?
Allied Action Sports, just down the way there. And I was just out taking promo pictures for this because I'm raffling this one off.
Really?
So yeah, if you buy a t-shirt from my website, it gets your email, like it enters you to win. Oh, now the cops are an electric bike, man, they don't care.
He's got a bike rack on her. She does, or whatever.
Yeah, no shit. Nah.
Things I see some kids fucking riding by like, fuck me. That's pretty damn fucking cool.
Yeah, they're sweet, like, and it's like a real dirt bike. I lost my hand in a car accident almost there, so I can't pull clutch anymore. So electric dirt bikes like kind of the ticket for me. And
you gotta get a recluse clutch.
yeah, for life, I can't even, like, that's as much as it'll bend.
Oh yeah.
So like,
On the road with those things? Yeah.
I think you're allowed. I don't know. I've been ripping around thinking I'm allowed, but yeah, I've just been chatting.
No, your partner just
Went down.
or she. I think it was a she went that way.
Okay, to quickly wrap that video up, because I ran out of memory and it was just kind of like in the heat of the moment. I wasn't getting pulled over because of the bike. Turns out there was a girl that went missing. They found her instantly after. It was just a false alarm, an over-worried parent, so not to worry. But yeah, turns out nobody gives a shit about the surron. You're allowed, for all I'm concerned, on the roads, streets, bike lanes, trails. So get yourself entered. Shop ridefastcrew.com. Hope you enjoyed this video. Just a random one that came together perfectly, so I threw it up on the YouTube and the Facebook. So wherever you're watching this, appreciate you. Have a good day. Bye.